Thank you for visiting the Coin Lady channel again. Putting $100 into Shiba Inu right now will make you rich, dude. Robert Kiyosaki claims that for the last 3 months, the Shiba Inu price has been holding on to a significant support level. Consolidation along this barrier caused a major change 2 weeks ago. So, while the consolidation lasts, investors are crossing their fingers for another rebound. If you invest $100 in a Shiba Inu today, Robert Kiyosaki claims you'll become rich. Satoshi Kusama, creator of the meme money, took to Twitter to protect chip holders from others who sought to sow doubt and uncertainty in the ecosystem. The Shiba Inu is now selling for around $0.0000. The point of control is an important level, and 2+8 is a critical level. This barrier, which has the highest traded volume level since April 11th, was largely responsible for the previous ship run-ups. Starting on August 14th, the killer app for Dogecoin formed a double top at $0.0000179 after a 53% increase. After reversing its gains, the Shiba Inu price is back at the point of control, where it plans to start a similar movement in the period since. No aggressive or otherwise noticeable behavior from the bulls has been observed thus far. The ship can cause a purchasing frenzy and quick climb if it stays stationary for a time. The initial target for smart money or bulls is the recent equal highs at $0.0000179. With a bounce of $0.0000018, a 52% gain might be achievable after retesting the $0.0000179 barrier. Despite the clarity of this prediction, investors should brace themselves for the POC failure and the subsequent 9% decline. The ship will next aim to retest the immediate support level at $0.000106 as a consequence of this move. In the other case, a return to $0.0000179 will result in a 68% increase. The third potential outcome is that, instead of the projected support level of $0.000000006, the target price for Shiba Inu falls to $0.0000083 in order to rectify the imbalance. If this is just the start of a rally, the price should go up by 104% to $0 in the next 179 days. No matter what happens, investors can profit from dollar-cost averaging their assets at the key support levels mentioned earlier to ensure they don't miss out on the climb. However, if the ship can close its daily candlestick below $0, the bullish thesis for the Shiba Inu price will be meaningless. 0074 is the correct spelling of the name. Unless you get well quickly. As a new group, the Shiba are eagerly anticipating the completion of the network's enormous overhaul. So, with the launch of Hub, the Shiba Inu development team announced a big change to the metaverse milestone. The value of a cryptocurrency known as Shiba Inu has skyrocketed in the last 3 months. The digital asset has developed into its own entity after initially appearing as a parody of Dogecoin. A lot of people are interested in Shiba Inu because their asset value went up in August. Holders of the governance token BONE in the Shiba swap ecosystem have the ability to vote on proposals with a weight that is proportional to their holdings. Ever since the year began, the price has been stuck at the $1 to $0 horizontal resistance level. It made 3 unsuccessful breakout attempts during this period. The price, however, started a rapid climb on August 19th and was finally broken on August 29th. As part of this upward trend, BONE prices increased by 200% in only 10 days, and they kept going up until day 11. Over the past 2 days, the price of BONEs has been steadily rising, just in time for their introduction on the Bluebird exchange. At the moment, it's trading at $2, which is the 2.61 external Fibonacci retracement resistance level. Once it breaks through $2.50, the next barrier that will arise is the 3.61 level. A cryptocurrency and stock trading outfit called Mind and Trading posted a bone chart that showed a $2 price peak. He predicted that prices will face their next obstacle at 6.0. The previous decline's resistance area coincides with the external Fibonacci retracement level of 3.+1. Consistent with the RSI readings is the recommendation to keep the increasing momentum towards the specified objectives. The main reason is that the indicators broke out from a falling resistance line. Even though it is overbought, the daily RSI has failed to display any indications of bearish divergence, which is salt to injury. Relatedly speaking, at 6 hours, the RSI fails to indicate. In spite of being far inside the overbought range, the indicator is still climbing, indicating a bearish divergence. Based on this, it would not be unreasonable to expect prices to go up to about $2.65. It was widely anticipated that the crypto market will be stunned by the August 19th sell-off. The negative news regarding the macro situations has market skeptics screaming from the rooftops. Delightful meme Dogecoin and Shiba Inu tokens, among others, failed to make it through the sale. Prior to the crisis, these tokens were performing well in their own bull markets. In terms of cryptocurrency rankings, Doge remained ahead of its competitor. In contrast, the Shiba Inu fell much farther down the list. It dropped to 14 at publishing time, after slipping 2 places during the weekend. The current price of one Dogecoin is $0.061, decreased by 7.09% from the prior week, and 3.54% from the prior day. The new one she purchased did not perform much better in trade, falling 3.5% in the last day to $0.0000193. Furthermore, there has been a 7% decline in the value of SHIB coins. SHIB's public disclosure of its metaverse exploration was met with laughter by certain members of the crypto community last week on CoinMarketCap. Everyone now knows that a useless meme's intention was never to create a metaverse. Nevertheless, the latest SHIB statement clarified that there is no going back at this point, so perhaps the uncertainty will remain. The third SHIB announced a risky approach to the target early in September. The SHIB's official blog announced that we shall all succeed, and the Temple project seemed to be heading in the right direction. Will we all make it out alive after the release? A Temple idea surfaced in the aftermath. According to its communications, the SHIB took into consideration a number of architectural plans from 6 separate places. New Delhi, Japan, Hawaii, South Africa, and Myanmar are some of the places the SHIB has identified as possible inspiration. However, it is important to remember on the other hand that the community has the last say on the matter. It seemed like most of the SHIB's troops agreed with their responses. However, the news has failed to boost the SHIB price. CoinMarketCap shows a 0.17% drop for the SHIB. The volume may have increased by 305 dm in the last day. In the same time frame, 69,087,091 SHIB tokens were burned, resulting in a burn rate of 4.71%, which is lower than the preceding trend. According to Robert Kiyosaki's recent tweet, the financial catastrophe he foresaw for 2013 has come to pass. Millions of money might disappear for investors. During this moment, he added, Kiyosaki recommends making money. You can't help but agree with Warren Buffett when he says the markets are chaotic. Having recovered from the support level between $4,000 and $1,950, the S&P 500 has reportedly resumed its downward trend, according to market data. Therefore the holder should keep the Shiba Inu and get a new Shiba and some SHIB tokens. According to Robert Kiyosaki, the value of Shiba News will skyrocket. With a current market capitalization of $0.000012, the new coin Shiba is the 14th most valuable cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies, according to market observers, will stay mostly unchanged for the time being. It seems to reason that the same is true for Shiba Inu. On the other hand, it will be interesting to observe the bullish market price of Shiba Inu and the optimistic coin prognosis. The events of the day have come to a close. The video ends there. Much obliged for your time. Make sure to click the like button if you found the article informative and enjoyed it. Goodbye for now.